I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the essentials are ready: Node 16+, Git, and a code editor. Clone the Creative Tim template repository, then run npm install or yarn to pull dependencies. This creates Node modules and links packages. Next, copy env, example2, env and fill keys for API endpoints and tokens. Once done, run npm run dev or yarn dev and open localhost 3000. This verifies the project boots and gives a live preview you can iterate on immediately. You now customize the middle layer, components, theme, and routes. Replace logos and images in public or assets so brand visuals match. Then adjust theme variables, colors, fonts, spacing, in the styles file or Tailwind config because global tokens propagate changes everywhere. Open key components in src/components and update props, markup, and class names. Also map routes in the router file so pages load correctly. Once done, test UI states and interactions to catch layout drift early. You finish by producing a production bundle and deploying. Run npm run build to create optimized assets, then preview locally with a static server to confirm behavior. Deploy to Versal, Netlify, or your VPS. Transfer environment variables into the hosting dashboard and enable correct build commands. After deployment, monitor console errors and performance. If the build fails, check node version, missing, env keys, or dependency mismatches. Resolve by aligning package versions and reinstalling node modules, then rebuild and redeploy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.